Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about diet. The Mediterranean diet is a way of eating that is based on the traditional foods of countries that border the Mediterranean Sea. It is considered to be one of the healthiest diets in the world, and the Mediterranean has been linked to a number of health benefits, including a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, cancer, and type 2 diabetes. What is the Mediterranean diet? The Mediterranean diet is a plant-based diet that emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. It also includes moderate amounts of fish and seafood, and limited amounts of red meat and processed foods. Olive oil is the main source of fat in the Mediterranean diet. Benefits of the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet has been linked to a number of health benefits, including reduced risk of heart disease, reduced risk of stroke, reduced risk of cancer, reduced risk of type 2 diabetes, improved blood sugar control, lower cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, reduced inflammation, improved weight management, increased longevity. How to follow the Mediterranean diet. Here are some tips on how to follow the Mediterranean diet. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Aim for at least 5 servings per day. Choose whole grains over refined grains. Include legumes, nuts, and seeds in your diet. Make fish and seafood a regular part of your diet. Limit red meat and processed foods. Use olive oil as your main source of fat. Enjoy meals with family and friends. Mediterranean diet recipes. There are many delicious and healthy recipes that you can enjoy on the Mediterranean diet. Here are a few examples. Breakfast: Greek yogurt with berries and nuts, oatmeal with fruit and nuts, avocado toast with eggs. Lunch: salad with grilled chicken or fish, lentil soup, whole wheat pasta with tomato sauce and vegetables. Dinner: salmon with roasted vegetables, chicken stir-fry with brown rice, lentil, and vegetable stew. The Mediterranean diet is a healthy and delicious way to eat. It is based on traditional foods that have been shown to have a number of health benefits. If you're looking for a way to improve your diet, the Mediterranean diet is a great option. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of the Mediterranean diet. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos about healthy eating and living.